What's up, Bob here with a quick update on Ryan's restoration project. Last you saw, we were having issues with getting the tank clean after about 50 rinsings with denatured alcohol and filtering and putting it back in. This is the crap that ended up coming out. This is actually denatured alcohol, but it's black as coal. So anyway, got a new valve, Petcock vacuum operated one ordered because this one is leaking. It will not seal back up. But just want to let you know, got the tank all cleaned. We're going to be putting the tank on in the next episode and firing it up for the first time that way. So stay tuned for that.